Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and today I'm going to be making some taco soup. And first of all, I want to say happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. My family wanted taco soup, so that's what I'm about to fix. And as you can see, I already have the ground beef frying in the pan. And all I do is just season mine with some seasoned salt. And you can put as much or as little seasoning as you want in yours. That's fine. I'm feeding a family of 5, so I put some seasoning in. I also put some black pepper in mine. And all you do is just stir it up as the meat is browning, as you see. And some other things that I bought to go in my taco soup is taco seasoning mix. I bought 2 packs. I got some pinto beans. Actually, I got 2 things of pinto beans, and it's 15.5 ounces. I got some diced tomatoes, 28 ounces. Some black beans. And I also purchased some cheese to go on top of our taco soup, as well as some sour cream, which is in the refrigerator. And I purchased some Frito-Lay scoops. Well, actually, here's the sour cream that I put on here. Okay, so as you see, I'm browning my meat. And again, this is ground beef or ground chuck, whichever, or you can have ground turkey, whichever one you want. And as you can see, it's done, so I'm about to go drain it. Okay, so I've already drained my meat, and I'm just putting my meat over into my my Dutch pan here. Making sure I get all of it out. Okay, I'm gonna move it over to this eye. Put this to the back here. Okay, so what I do, I always wash off the top of my cans to make sure it's clean. Okay, so I washed off the top of my cans, and all I do is open my cans. And this is the pinto beans. And normally what I do is just pull the juice off and drain it and put my own water in. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pour all of it. Pour all of it over in here. Okay, and I got 2 cans of pinto beans, like I showed you before. I'm just putting both cans over in here just to make sure all of the beans are out. And this is my can of black beans that I'm gonna pour over here. You can put any beans that you want. I just chose these. And also, I need to put a can of corn in there, so I have to go in my pantry and get the corn out. Okay, just make sure everything is out. All right, and also now I'm gonna put my tomatoes in, and I'm gonna open it with my can opener. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over in here. And I love tomatoes. My kids don't really care for them, but since it's mixed into the soup, they'll eat it. So, okay, so now I'm adding my can of corn. I had forgot about the corn, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And it's the whole kernel sweet corn that I add to mine. Make sure all of it is out. And I'm adding 2 cans of it into my soup, but again, you can add how many you want. You can add more, you can add less, it's up to you. Okay. And as you see, the water from the vegetables, you can see it right there. So all I'm gonna do now is open my taco seasoning. Oops. And just pour that over in here. And the taco seasoning is just to give it that taco flavor and to give it a little, thicken it up a little bit. And again, I add 2 packs of taco seasoning because it says 1.25 ounce package to 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, so I have everything in here. I'm just gonna turn my eye back on. Okay. So all you have to do is just give it a good mix. Mix it up really well. And I may need to add just a little bit more water in it. Or maybe enough. And one other thing that I always add to my food, to me, it's my little secret ingredient, but I'm gonna tell you, is hot sauce. And I always just add like a few dashes over in there, and to me, it just give it a good taste. And you just mix it up and just let it cook on low. I always let mine cook maybe for about maybe until it starts boiling, because it's already done. It just needs to heat up. And another good thing that you can have, instead, if you don't want corn chips with yours, you can have cornbread. That's another good one. All right, so that's how mine look. You can see my taco salad is done and I'm about to eat. So I'm gonna give it a try just to see how it tastes. And it's hot because it just came out the pot. It's hot, but it's really good. It's really good. And as you see, I have me some sweet tea. That's good. And the apple fritter I was telling you about. So you all have a great day.